How's it going, people? Today we're taking a break from shoes and sneakers because today we have the North Face 1996 Nuptse. Now I bought this jacket because it has a Velcro strap, but just to be clear, that's not all of its benefits. Some benefits include: also on the website you will find more numbers North Face has used to confuse me even further. But wait, what do we see here? Water repellent? Where is the waterproof? £270 and not even waterproof. If it wasn't for the Velcro strap. Now carrying on with the jacket, it definitely runs short. It is boxy, quite puffy, but it's also very soft, very light, very warm, and very good, very nice. You want more of a snug fit? You can. Pockets, 2 on the outside, 1 on the inside. It has bigger logos embroidered compared to the Nuptse 2. Plus the 700 on the sleeve, in case we forget how many feathers are inside of our jackets. I want to show you guys how big the inside pocket is. Now this is a iPhone XS Max, and I'm sure you guys know how big of a phone that is, and it just fits. Either way you put it in, the zip just closes and you got no problem whatsoever. Now I wish the pockets had some sort of lining on the inside, but unfortunately they don't. Now it is a fantastic jacket, I would definitely recommend it. However, at this price point, is there another jacket or a brand that can offer more for your money? And for me personally, at this price, I'd want the jacket to be waterproof, especially when you're buying a brand like North Face. But yeah guys, that's it. If there is another brand that you think is better than North Face, let me know below, and I will see you guys on the next one.